legal! Filtering is legal! Filtering is legal! Read your highway code, you'll find out who we're right!
Hey buddy, you okay? You nearly knocked me off the bike.
That's my little story on smashing mirrors. Dude, what a like, really? You're gonna pass me that close? This guy really pissed me off. He passed me really close on my same lane. Hey man, you gotta be careful passing in the same lane like that, man. It's a little dangerous.
Calma, sim.
Oh no. Oh angry farmer. We're in trouble. Huh? We're in trouble. What, should we go speak to him? Oh, we guess we're not allowed to go there?
Fucking right.
Sorry, but I thought this was government land.
I don't care a f***ing damn, you stick to the road.
Okay.
Where are you from?
Aber.
Aber?
Yeah.
How would you feel if I come down to Aber with my 3 or 4 sheep and put them in your garden?
No, I get it. I didn't know anyone owned this. I thought it was...
Hell, everybody owns land.
Well, government owns some of it. I thought it was government funded because the old mines and stuff. See, I thought it was a government place. Well, yeah, no, now I won't do it again.
You're bloody well right. Right, you stick to the road, no problem. Otherwise, home. Right?
Yeah, I get it.
In the forest, you can do what the hell you like there.
Honestly, didn't know anyone owned it, honestly.
Well, you know now.
Yeah, well, no, that's why, like, when I got to the top there and I seen him coming up and I seen you stop, so I was like, oh. Yeah, so that's why we came to speak. Yeah, that's why we came to speak to him. Mate, honestly, no harm. We didn't mean any harm. But yeah, totally understand.
When they see us, they f off straight away.
Oh no, I come speak to you because it's best to find out. Like, obviously, you know, won't be here again. Like,
well, you can come on the road.
Yeah.
Stick to the road anytime.
No, it's just like I said, misunderstanding because of the old mines. I thought it was government property. It was just grazing land, but obviously not. Yeah, I get you. So what about past that gate? Is that yours there? It's
No,
just in
that's
this.
the forest, that's government.
Okay, this is all yours then, all the way up there. Okay.
From the forest.
Oh, we only usually come in to piss about over there. We just saw this now. It's the first time we've been up, but we don't usually come through the gate. See, only to that mine bit.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. But no. We just went to see what was at the top there, but
You stick to the roads, you're going up to the top and
green lanes all the way. Yeah, I get you.
no problem.
Yeah. No, totally.
You get off the road, it's my problem.
Yeah, no, apologies, mate. I totally get it.
Okay, boys.
Yeah.
Have fun then.
Yeah, no, thanks, buddy.
Use your eyes.
Pardon?
Use your eyes. You just cut straight in front of me.
I did see you.
Well, you should have looked.
Alright. Put your phone down. Yeah. What are you doing? Look, man. Yeah, dude.
Don't let people go for that reason. Hell. Hell. Just look. You've gone straight across and I was coming up. What? You can't just go boom straight across. I could have gone into the back of you.
Hello guys, DirtBike Lunatic here. First of all, thanks for watching this video. I hope you will like it as we do. That's why we are recording this audio, to make sure you go and subscribe to all of channels that gave us permission to use their video. Hit like and subscribe to my channel as well. Enjoy!